have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to meet, who you're going to meet, who you're going to meet.
Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to come back to my room to start off this vlog before I get more into it. You guys saw a little relaxed morning montage clip of me just getting up. I set an alarm because I do start school tomorrow, so this is like my last morning before school starts. And yeah, so I set an alarm because I wanted to get back into like waking up with an alarm, waking up a little bit earlier each day because my sleeping schedule was really effed up. So I set an alarm and did some of my morning journal, my morning gratitude journal, made my bed, relaxed a little bit, and immediately made my lemon water, my hot lemon water, which I've been doing almost every morning. And I brought my computer over there so that I can do some editing because I'm getting a video up in a couple minutes actually, so I'm very excited about that. I needed to get that up. It's my prep for the semester, which you guys love my college videos and everything, so definitely make sure you would check that out if you haven't already. And yeah, so now I'm gonna make some breakfast, get that video up, and then I need to do some laundry this morning. But just wanted to bring you guys along a relaxing, chill morning before, you know, the semester starts. Like, this is my last day of break. It was a 2-month break, which is big. So I'm gonna make some breakfast. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna have. So got some sourdough bread. I'm gonna have a piece of avocado toast and then one with just butter. I'll make this right now. I just finished my lemon water. Okay, so I'm gonna do one slice with this Miyoko's vegan butter. Avocado. And I'm going to try something new, a little extra step that I've seen people do, and apparently it's like really good. So I'm going to try it and let you guys know how good it really is. So, got avocado down. Gonna sprinkle my everything but the bagel seasoning still on it. And so, people say the hype is adding a drizzle of honey, which I do like honey, so we'll see the combination though. Okay, so this is breakfast. You can't even tell, but this has the butter, and then we have our honey drizzle over avocado toast. I'll try this one. Let's see how this is. The sweet and the salty flavor really is amazing. So I actually really like it. You should try it. I need to do laundry, so. Let's make some coffee. My favorite mugs are from Amazon. I'll link them down below. I'm gonna make this one today, my favorite. Bianco Ligero, well, one of my favorites. I like the Chiara one a lot. When they don't have my extra creamy, we use this one. Look at that. So good. I was just watching some football, but my first load of laundry is out, so I'm gonna fold this now. I hate folding laundry, but it's football Sunday, it's the playoffs. If you guys watch football, who are you like rooting for to go to the Super Bowl or to win? And I have to go to work soon. I do work today at 5 o'clock till 10, so when I get home I'm gonna make sure I have everything all set for tomorrow, my first day, which I'm also gonna be vlogging, you guys know. And it still doesn't even feel real. Like the whole day today I'm like, I freaking start school tomorrow. Like I just need to get my brain and like my mindset back on like the school grind, you know? So that's kind of what today is, just like mentally getting ready. I prepped yesterday with like my planner and all that stuff, but I just need to make sure I have like my computer all charged tonight, like little stuff like that ready before bed, so they'll be later on today. And my other load should be done in like 20 minutes. Like a little lazy Sunday as well. Like I love lazy Sundays like this, honestly, because I just get to relax, catch up on YouTube. I did my work of the day for editing. Okay guys, I am back from work. I'm in my PJs. I'm kind of getting myself all situated and ready for bed because I do not want to sleep late today. It is 10:40 about to be. So I just plugged in my charger, and also these PJs make my hair like staticky. It's like a little weird. So I might change these PJs tomorrow because I don't like that. But anyways, besides the fact, so more professors actually emailed me today, finally. If you guys watched my how I prep, it was a little stressful because, I mean, tomorrow's Monday, the start of the week, and although I only have that one class, only 2 professors had emailed us. And I'm still waiting for one more, but at least the other 2 I received while I was at work, and I looked over the syllabus like on my phone because I have the Blackboard app, which I recommend if you if your school uses Blackboard, to download the Blackboard app, because that's what I do, and it makes things really easy to get like notifications from your phone, because obviously we're always on our phones, you know, quick access. And obviously I have my email connected. But yeah, that's the latest update. 2 of them emailed, so I have those 2 syllabi, but I'm kind of like, I guess we'll see when I have the class, but I wanted to look at a course schedule, and he didn't make a course schedule, which is weird because I never had a professor not do that. So I guess maybe we'll talk about it like during our class, Tuesday and Wednesday, I believe. So yeah, I already have my alarm ready to go tomorrow. I'm gonna wake up at 9 a.m. Class doesn't start till 11:30, so I'll have like my me morning, which I love. I'm gonna plug in my phone, plug in my AirPods so that they're fully charged, and ready to go for Zoom calls. This class is only an hour and 15 minutes because it meets 2 times a week. So it's not the longest class, but I hate when my AirPods die during class because, you know, but I'm gonna make sure they're fully charged. Yeah, also I poured myself a cup of water because it's just a habit now. I love pouring myself water before I go to sleep. What else did I do? My computer has been charging while I was at work. Oh, I brought my socks. So I've gotten into the habit of, with my slippers, I wear socks. Like I have to wear socks with my slippers. A little furry on the inside and my feet get clammy very easily, so I just wear socks so that it doesn't like mess up the fur, you know. And I don't know, I just love it in the mornings because I'm like nice and toasty. So I put that on my desk chair, and I don't know what I'm gonna wear tomorrow. I mean, I don't know if we're gonna have to show our faces for this class, but I obviously always like to change out of my PJs in the morning into some day clothes, loungery wear. So we'll see. Also, I put all my laundry away. I have some stuff hanging still that I will put away tomorrow morning. So yeah, I think that's basically all I did tonight to kind of like get myself ready. I'm going to sleep not too late, so I'm giving myself a little bit of a bedtime. But yeah, it was a good day. I still can't like process it. I feel like after that Zoom call, I'll like really feel in the school mode, I guess you can say. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. We are so close to 4,000 subscribers. Also comment down below your major. I would love to chat with you guys and get to know you guys more. If you have it going on, how your day went, we can chat in the comments. So I will see you guys all in my next video, which will be my first day of classes, so definitely stay tuned. Lots of videos coming your way.